There's only one lesbian in this group, and that's you.
You. I want a pin.
Wow, what a beautiful gloomy day.
Babe.
Peace and love. Peace and love. Love and peace.
Donnie.
Ciao.
Ciao,
Why do you
vlog.
always look like a model?
Look at this. Peace and love. Peace and love, love and peace. Peace and love.
What a beautiful day
Honestly,
in London.
Get so cancelled for that.
Did you, why? Did you have a good day with your sister?
Sisters.
Yes, I am your sister.
Donnie, you came out mother's vagina too.
No, I'm an adopted sister.
In-law.
But we don't.
In-law.
We don't
In-law?
use those words. We
In-law.
don't use those words. It's still a
What
sister.
difference does it make?
Because she's not blood related to me, because then she would be blood related to you,
That's
and then that
fucking
would be
weird.
incest.
Oh, I'm not gonna go. That was like saying, Angus, it's like saying that Nicole and Karen are your half sibling. If you want to go down that road.
You know what? I'm trying to vlog and not cause walls here, you know?
Literally, like, let's.
So let's like not do that, eh?
Yeah, well then you should
Yeah, we'll just say sisters.
Yeah.
Sister, they are sisters from another
You
mister.
call Shelby your brother.
Yeah.
In-law.
Why are you so weird about it? Strange human.
I'm Estelle.
Okay, guys, so what would you rate Abercrombie?
0 out of 10.
Prices 1 out of 10 because I'm sorry, but the quality is not worth those prices. But actually, nice stuff, like nice styles in there. I'd give it a 7 out of 10.
To be fair, I rate my jeans.
Yeah, your jeans are sick. I feel
Jeans
like
are nice.
You found a really good pair of jeans.
Thank you.
Yeah, like they have a good selection, but quality and price are just not
Not it.
proportionate. Definitely not.
Are you vlogging?
The big boss dog, yeah, I had to do that. I keep a blue flag hanging out the backside, only on the left side. Yeah.
Where is this going? Hey.
With a fighting came my way out through. I cut so much you caught on some kid jacks.
Go on, I'm doing copyright music.
Hi, my name's Laura.
So bring your friends when y'all come inside. We got a world from being right here, like it lots. So don't choose the vessel, turn it up a little. I got a living room full of fine dime bristles. Waiting on the vessels and vessels.
Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. I've just made myself some protein oats and a smoothie. I'm still trying to figure out like what I like, but I made like a strawberry and mango smoothie, had oats in it, protein powder and water. That's the one. And then I made some like kind of nasty looking protein oats. Let's see if it tastes good. I changed the recipe on the protein oats because basically I have been seeing a personal trainer once a week because I don't know, it's been helping. And she sent me a recipe for protein oats because I was like, oh, guys, fuck hot, Jesus Christ. I was like, I don't know how to make them. So she was like, oh, I sent you a recipe. The thing is, has banana in it, and if any of you know me, you know I despise banana with a firing passion. And like, I can eat like banana bread and stuff, but like still I'm just not into it. So like this is what it looks like. I put some strawberries in it as well. So it's like, it's quite like puddingy, and then you've got like strawberries. So I'm just gonna mix it up. I put some Nutella in there to like make like a chocolate and strawberry protein oats. So let's see how that goes. I way prefer this without the banana. The recipe calls for like, I think it's like 70 grams of like smushed banana, so I just switched it out for 1 egg. And hopefully I mean, it seems to have worked. Because like the last time, it wasn't as cooked after the 3 minutes you're supposed to be in the office. I mean, in the oven. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I'm currently in Peterborough for work, which is like 2 hours away from where we live. I'm here at 8:30 in the morning, and like the sun is still rising. I hate winter. Which means I left at like 6:30, which means I was up at 5:45, and I was just like, you know, those like moments where you just like, you just wake up and you go into autopilot mode. There's no room to feel anything. You just go and get it done, because honestly, if I stopped to think about it, I probably would have started crying, because my bed was so warm this morning and it was so cold. I'm here for work actually. I'm like shadowing for another role in our company to see if like something I would want to do. So I'm busy with that, and today I'm like shadowing client meetings. Why does my hair look like that? Should be looking like a McDonald's sign. My hair is so fluffy this morning, especially like the sides here. Usually it's like quite flat. I'm shadowing for this role, so I have to go sit in client meetings. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna go shadow client meetings. I really need to get better at this vlogging thing, because at this rate I have the most messed up clips ever. My room is a complete mess at the moment. I'm busy, I just got a new phone, so I'm busy trying to set that up. I swear, they get more complicated every year. I sound like an old man, but it's true. Every time I set this thing up, every time, I am just as confused as I was the last time. Now it's transferring my... This is actually very clever. Old phone, new phone. I got a smaller one this time. I had the 11 Pro Max. I thought that was Ben for a second. I had the 11 Pro Max, and then I've had this since November 2019, so it's been 3 years. And they were offering a really good deal on this phone, so I was like, nah, why not? Why not? So I got the 14 Pro, not the Max though, because I refuse to have a big phone again. Like, the difference is very slight, but this phone is also... These phones are also really heavy. Like, anyway, yeah. And I got this cool... like stone color. It's more warm in person, but it's like soft touch. Definitely gonna get absolutely so dirty, but it's fine. And then it was actually quite a good deal, because I think it was like £25 for the cover. Came with 2 screen protectors and 2 glass covers for the camera, and I was like begging, because I put glass screen protectors on everything. Like, even my camera has a glass screen protector on my back. But the last time I probably spoke to you guys was Thursday. It's now Tuesday of the following week. The work thing went really well, so I was really happy. So I might potentially be changing jobs, which is kind of scary. I am shitting my pants a little bit, but it is what it is. And then Saturday I went to a personal training session, but I do once a week. And I'm also thinking about joining the gym again. But I go to this personal training thing once a week, and it like literally helps me so much. And then I was supposedly supposed to go to an art gallery. And then on Sunday we went for like a quick walk. I was actually going to film a TikTok and like do an ASMR, like actual thing, but then I was too lazy, so I didn't. Also, this is the fresh sugar peach hydrating lip balm. And this is probably the furthest I've ever gotten into lip balm, if I'm completely honest. But I like slather my lips in this before I go to sleep. And so I literally wake up and I still have some on my lips the next morning. This stuff is fantastic. It took me, I'm not gonna lie, it's taken me like quite a while to get into it. It like actually kind of broke me out at first, and I was like, oh, that's a bit weird, like literally just on the corners of my mouth. And then so I just like one day decided to carry on using it, and then it's literally been fine. It was the weirdest thing. Okay, so it's Tuesday. Where did the time go? We don't know. But the last thing I wanted to end this vlog off with was the stuff that I got for Black Friday. I only did one order for Black Friday, and that was on Cult Beauty, and I just wanted to pick up a few things and like top up some things that I needed and that I've been wanting for a while. So I just had like my Cult Beauty wish list, and then I just picked things from there and put them in. So the first thing I got was the like viral beauty blender puff thing. She went viral on TikTok, so we got her. And then I got 2 colors of the Patrick Ta, I think it's called the Major Volume Plumping Gloss. So I got the shades Full Syringe, which is like the red one, and I got Superficial, which is like just a nude color. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be a classic influencer, but like this is the only way I can get this shit to focus. And then I got the Thank You Pharma 50+ Sun Project Water Sunscreen. This is a Korean sunscreen, and I've really wanted to try it. It's got really good reviews, and I've been looking at it for ages, so I thought I'd just pick it up. And then I got the Inculus Retinol Serum, also viral on TikTok, and I thought I'd give it a chance. I have wanted this for so long. It's the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting. It's just like the white serum that also, I think it went viral on TikTok because it was sold out everywhere for ages. I watched a lot of brand trips this year with Caudalie, and that serum just had really good reviews from everyone. And then I picked up the brush for the Anastasia Brow Freeze. I don't know, like I feel like I just was struggling with my brush. Like I wasn't like terrible, but like I just thought maybe the brush would make it easier. So yeah. And then I just picked up the big size of the Paula's Choice Exfoliating Liquid. Also viral on TikTok. This really works for me. I've tried the Ren Glow Tonic and I didn't like that. And I tried the Inculus Glycolic Acid, didn't like that. This one is the one that works for me, so I just picked up a large size. I did try the mini version first, and that lasted me ages, so this will probably last me like 2 years. I'm not even joking. And then I picked up the Caudalie Instant Detox Mask, the one with the wood lid. I know there's another one that has a white lid, I think. And then I picked up another mini travel size of the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I would like to buy the big size eventually, but it's like really expensive, so we'll get around to it. And then I also picked up the Huda Beauty Cheeky Tint in the shade Baddie Berry. This, honestly, like I just bought for winter purposes, because it's kind of like this purpley berry shade, which is like very in right now, so it's like this shade. So yeah, it's like that shade. So I thought it would, if you like layer it like lightly, I think it would look quite nice. And then I just picked up like a little nude beauty blender. Like this case is actually really good. And then how could I do an order without picking up my favorite setting spray? So this was a really good deal. This was like more than like 60% off, but it's 2 full sizes of the Benefit Professional, and this is my favorite setting spray, so of course I had to pick it up. Yeah, and then there was one more thing in the order, but that was for my mom for Christmas, so I can't show you guys that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog of random clips and, you know, just enjoying life with me. But I'll see you soon, and oh, it's the festive season. Merry Chrysler! Imagine me just ending filming that and like my entire front camera just breaks into pieces. Love that, boy.